here we are at the Hotel Villa Malpensa near Milan Malpensa Airport.
There is a hotel right at the airport. There's a Sheraton, but I chose this because it was absolutely delightful. Nicely renovated bathroom. Very clean.
It is.
Absolutely stunning. Look at the lights. Look at the
chandeliers.
up there. Beautiful.
Pictures. I show you our best room.
Okay.
Make pictures.
Oh yes. Love video. This is for weddings, yes?
Yes.
Oh.
We have a wedding.
Can we get married again before we close?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look up.
Oh guys, if you're leaving from Malpensa, definitely stay a night at this beautiful
Stunning hotel.
hotel.
Look, we found the 14th chapel. We didn't see the 16th one, but we found the 14th one.
This is absolutely stunning. The tables are all set up. It's just, yeah, I was really excited about this hotel. It was the last hotel in our journey, and I was so excited to see it. But it's so wet outside, and I don't know if we can. We're going to walk out for a bit.
Long-awaited coffee. Been waiting all day for this.
Beautiful coffee. Now we're going to go upstairs, have a shower and get dressed up to have a beautiful dinner.
Hey, where are you guys from?
United States, Florida.
Florida. We're from Australia.
And New Jersey.
Oh, New Jersey. Okay, we're just going to order dinner now. Okay. They bring you out bread, for starters, and water. Cool. As you can see, the restaurant is quite full.
So it must be good.
Yeah, we'll let you know how the food is after we finish. Spinach what?
Lamb.
Flan, okay.
Can't remember.
With cream. Looks interesting. I've got a cold cuts plate with cheeses and different meats and bread and sauces. We'll see how we go with that. Looks yummy for me. Nice?
That's cream.
Mm-hmm.
So fatty. That's nice, yeah.
You know I'm going to love this. Cold cuts, what else could I want? And you slap it on the bread there, and oh, that was a delicious starter. You enjoyed yours, yeah?
It was something different to what I've ever had. It was okay. I wouldn't say it was terrific, but it was edible and
It was quite nice, yes. Whereas me, I
I
just
was
love
enjoying the bread.
I just love food in general, so yeah. My cold cuts and cheeses were fantastic. But something I've never tried, I didn't know you're supposed to dip cheese into honey. Ange told me. I've never tried that, and it was nice.
Well, my background is Greek, and we make something called 𝐸𝐵𝐷𝐸, which is fried cheese, which is terribly fattening, but terribly
Basically,
delicious.
halloumi for most people know
Other
about
cheeses
it.
too,
Yeah, but
we fry several cheeses, and then they ask you if you'd like honey on top.
Yeah.
And I like mine without honey because I like it salty. But it is delicious with honey. So whether the cheese is fried or not, it's really nice with
very
honey.
nice, yes, I liked it, yeah.
So Italians, Greeks, I guess we eat very similar foods.
We're just waiting on the mains now, and we'll show you them when they come around. And the mains have arrived. I've got beef, sliced beef, and potato. Have a look at this. That's well done, just the way I like it. See it? Let's taste it. Very nice. Oh, that's a filling dinner. We smashed that too, didn't we?
Well, you did.
No, I didn't, most of it.
I'm not really a meat eater. I like seafood, but I'm not really a meat eater. Kevin ate most of the meat. I prefer vegetables, and there wasn't a lot of vegetables
No,
on
there
the
wasn't.
plate, so there was no salad to choose from. I was a little bit disappointed, I'm going to say. It's such a beautiful place. I expected a little bit more, but Kevin ate.
I ate the meat. I like meat, yeah. But with Ange, there wasn't enough sides like potatoes. I had 4 not potatoes, but slices of potatoes.
Scalloped potatoes.
Yeah.
They were baked. They were nice, but there was 4 pieces.
Yeah.
And there was a bit of broccoli in my plate, which I really enjoyed. But
Probably about 6 florets of
for
broccoli.
me, the lamb cutlets were not cooked. She took them back, recooked them for me, but they still looked
Well,
red.
pink. They were still pink, yeah. Not.
The beef, Kevin gave me a bit of his beef. I had a little bit, but yeah, I'm not a meat eater, like
No,
I
you're
said.
not. Yeah, the beef was actually well cooked. I couldn't believe that. Yeah. Anyhow, now we're gonna wait for the dessert.
And then go to sleep.
Yes. We've got a long flight
Been a
tomorrow.
long
We're gonna
day.
have tired arms flying back to Australia.
Kevin wanted to have dessert. Look at this. More calories, more carbs, more fat.
I'll fly
I've got
over.
the brownie, and
Yes.
Kevin got the tiramisu.
Tiramisu with different berries. Yummy, yum, yum. Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's go to bed. We're back. We're in bed.
And we're exhausted.
Yeah, it's our last night in Europe. Back on the aeroplane tomorrow and heading home.
We're going to get some sleep and get up in the morning, have some breakfast, and then
Head
get
off to the
going.
airport. Good night.
Good night.
Come to breakfast. So this is breakfast. I've got water, assorted juices, we've got coffees, milk, cereals, cheeses and butters, Nutella, prunes, cakes, croissant. Oh, we got egg and bacon, my favourite. Cold cuts. Just had the usual for breakfast: bacon, eggs, croissant, cream cheese, juice, coffee. Ange's having coffee. Looks like a yogurt. Cheese.
Some bread and cheese.
And a piece of cake. That's our breakfast.
The shuttle is $2.50 to come and $2.50 to go, so €5 per person. So for now we're saying goodbye. We hope you've enjoyed it.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you see. Help us grow. Tell your friends.